Stepping outside now, I want you to notice the sounds of nature, the birds that are outside to welcome us every morning. They're outside this lanai. Here's our pool. Notice the privacy. Come around here. There's the master bedroom. There's the formal living room, kitchen, then the family room, the library really, the art gallery if you will, and then around here we are, here's the pool. It's beautiful. Listen to the birds. It is so utterly peaceful. It's yours to enjoy during the winter and get some solace and rest.